over 3. 2 over 3 have to stay itself because it's not dividing it. It is the 4 over 9 which is dividing this, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you have to find the reciprocal of that. 9 over 4. You get it? Same principle here. Okay? Same principle. So this is going to be what? 1 over x divided by 1 over y. And that's going to be what? 1 over x times y over
1.
what do you see?
That'll be y, that'll be x.
Yes, did you see? The reciprocal. So basically, a fraction, the power minus, will be a reciprocal. You have to reciprocate what is inside. Okay? Now we go on to the next one. I jump into that. The power half. What do you guys see?
You square root everything.
Let's say this is minus. Sorry.
Oh,
No, it's minus, sorry. Because if not, it will be useless. We have done this before.
Yeah.
Okay? Minus. Now minus 1 over 2.
That's minus
You can say, look, let's sandwich, let's firewall this. Well, you will soon know what I mean by firewall. Let's firewall this.
Yeah.
Let's firewall this first. We know that this made a separate unit. So first I will have to do y over x. How I got y over x, I explain. Yes? And this is power half.
Yeah.
In it. So that means power half means square root of
square root
y over x. Fuck. What do you see? Immediately I put power third, it will be all this to power 3. Assuming that's what do you know what I mean by that? If I had changed this and said to power 3 minus 3 over 2, we have done everything now. We said power 3. Power 3 means all this time 3. All that power 3. Do you get it?
Yeah, nice.
Yes. So that's the trick. Immediately you say minus something like that. Minus is a reciprocal. Okay. Quickly, let me give you one word. That will be the end of first part of indices. Okay. Then we go into advanced indices. That will give you a taste of what actually can come in the exam in the more difficult questions. Because in the exam they give you the last question will always be difficult. You know that. So let's take one example from this book about that. They said 27. What's that? Where is that? Okay, it's here. 9 over 25 to power half minus half. Same thing I told you. You just have to analyze this.
The reciprocal.
Yes, because this is 9 over 25 to power minus 1 times half. We know basically when we get minus 1 to power minus is the reciprocal, isn't it? Okay? Because like this, when you say x to power minus 1, what are we saying? It's 1 over x, in it. So even if we don't do our reciprocal, this could here mean 9 over 25, all of that to power minus 1, in it. That is 1 over 9 over 25. And that is basically mean 1 divided by 9 over 25, in it. Okay, this we have to leave the 1 and this one is divided.
Make 1 over
1 times 25 over 9. In it. So even if we don't analyze it that way, you could have seen it as that. Okay? First of all, 9 over 25 to the power minus 1. That is 1 over 9 over 25, because that's what she said. X to the power minus 1 means x 1 over x. Okay? So this is just to explain to you. Okay? Now if we master our principle which says that x over y to the power minus 1 means y over x. Here we can say this is 25 over 9 to the power half, in it.
Yes.
Okay? Which means
5 over 3.
25 square root
square root of 25 over
square root
square root of 9. Yes?
5 over 3.
Which is 5 over
3.
3. These are the real examples. Folks, quickly, another one is a power 1 over 3. What does that mean for you?
I think that's
Power 1 over 3 mean cube in it.
yeah.
Minus mean 1 over in it. 1 over 64. So, cube root of
Oh, 64.
that in it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I see.
Or if you want it, you analyze. This is 64 times minus 1 times 1 over 3. Henry, minus 1 mean 1 over 64. 1/3 mean cube root of 64. Yes. Now the guy is putting a smart question here, thinking that we are not smart, so he can put a wood over our eye. He said, what do you think?
What's that?
Look at it.
The N.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so easy.
And he's also telling us 1 over 100. We are going to do this when we come to advanced indices. Yes.
What's going on?
And even a more difficult one, 4th root of 8, all that to power 7 is equal to 8 to power n. Now, we are going to do this on the advanced indices, okay? So you don't have to worry about that, okay? You don't have to worry about this. But suffice to say, let me leave this on. Let me leave this for advanced on the advanced indices. Yes, so I don't kill you. But look at these questions. 8 over 27 to power minus 2 over 3. That's number one. The other one is that's 1, 2, 81 over 16 all to the power minus half. Number 3, 1 over 64 all to the power 2 over 3. Okay. This guy is a killer. Number 4, 16 to the power minus 3 over 2. Okay. He said 8, number 5, 8 to the power 4 over 3. What's that? And number 6, 32 to the power minus 2 over 5. I think these are the most difficult ones. Okay? And he tried to put the killer one, saying 25 to the power minus half times 64 to the power 2 over 3. 2 over 3. Okay. Here, so we don't make the video very long, okay? But we will do this off camera.
Pause.
Or do you want also do it in camera so that some people who may be working online, they know what to get in the answers.
Yeah, you can do for that.
Or we do short video on that.
Yeah,
Short that way?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you end that video there, inshallah?